Do you want to get rich in 2024 starting with $0? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into the world of wealth creation, starting from nothing. We'll share valuable insights and strategies that could potentially transform your financial landscape. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your journey towards financial prosperity. So stick around, it's going to be a game changer. Remember, the journey to wealth can start with nothing but a plan and determination. Success begins with clear, achievable goals. Let's dive into the essence of setting financial goals. You see, they serve as your guiding light, your North Star, steering you towards financial success. But how do you set these goals? Enter SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Sounds like a mouthful, right? Well, it's easier than you think. When setting your financial goals, be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, say, I want to save $200,000 by the end of 2024. Measurable, that's where numbers come into play. You can track your progress, know exactly where you stand. Achievable, set goals that stretch you, but don't break you. Relevant, your goals should align with your broader financial plan. And finally, time-bound, set a deadline. It adds urgency and determination to your efforts. Remember, your goals are the roadmap to your wealth in 2024. To build wealth, you must first understand money. That's right. Our journey towards financial freedom begins with understanding the very thing we're chasing: money. Financial literacy, simply put, is the ability to comprehend and use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. In the grand scheme of wealth building, financial literacy plays a pivotal role. It's like the compass guiding you through the vast ocean of financial opportunities. Without it, you're likely to sail aimlessly, perhaps even lose your way. But with it, you can navigate towards your financial goals with confidence and precision. Now let's delve into some basic financial concepts. First off, interest. It's the cost of borrowing money, or on the flip side, the reward you get for saving or investing it. A solid understanding of how interest works can significantly impact your financial decisions, helping you avoid high-interest debt and capitalize on high-interest savings or investments. Next up, investments. Investing is essentially purchasing assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, with the expectation that they will increase in value over time. It's a powerful way to grow your wealth, especially when combined with the magic of compounding interest. Remember, the sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Then, we have loans. Loans can be useful tools when used responsibly, like for buying a home or starting a business. However, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions of any loan to avoid falling into a debt trap. Lastly, savings. While it may seem straightforward, saving money is a skill that requires discipline and patience. It's the act of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. Saving not only provides a safety net in case of emergencies, but also serves as a springboard for investments. These are just the basics, the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn in the world of finance, from tax planning to retirement savings to insurance. But remember, financial literacy is the foundation of your wealth-building journey. So, equip yourself with knowledge and chart your course towards financial freedom. Every penny saved is a penny earned. Now, isn't that a timeless piece of wisdom? In our journey towards financial freedom, saving and investing play a pivotal role. Imagine for a moment, you've got a jar of water. Each drop you add to the jar symbolizes your hard-earned money. As you keep adding drops, the jar slowly begins to fill up. That's what saving does. It's a slow but steady process that helps you accumulate wealth over time. However, if you want to fill the jar faster, you need a better strategy. And that's where investing comes into play. Investing is like getting a water hose to fill the jar. It amplifies your efforts and accelerates the process of wealth accumulation. But investing isn't just about making your money work for you. It's also about understanding the power of compound interest. Here's a simple explanation of compound interest. If you invest a certain amount of money and earn interest on it, the next time you earn interest, it's calculated not only on the initial amount, but also on the interest you've previously earned. That's compound interest, and it's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger as it goes along. Let's put this into perspective. If If you start investing at the age of 25, rather than waiting until you're 35, you could end up with almost twice as much money by the time you retire. The reason? Compound interest. By starting early, you're giving your money more time to grow. It's not about how much you invest, but rather how long you leave your money invested. The more time you give your money to grow, the more it can compound and multiply. Investing also requires wisdom. It's not about jumping on every opportunity that comes your way, but rather understanding the risks and rewards involved in each investment. It's about diversifying your portfolio and not putting all your eggs in one basket. Remember, the key to getting rich is not just about earning more, but also about saving more and investing wisely. So take a step today towards securing your future. Invest wisely and watch your wealth grow. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This timeless adage is particularly relevant when it comes to building wealth. Diversification is key. It's about spreading your resources across various income streams, reducing the risk of financial ruin if one source dries up. So, why are multiple income streams important? Well, the first reason is stability. If you lose your job, or if a business venture fails, having other sources of income can keep you afloat. It's a safety net that can help you weather financial storms. Secondly, multiple income streams can lead to quicker wealth accumulation. Each stream adds to your overall income, speeding up the process of getting rich. You're not just waiting for your monthly salary, you're also earning from your side hustle or your investments. Let's delve into some examples of these multiple income streams. One common way to generate passive income is through investments. This could be in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. The idea here is that you put your money in these vehicles and they generate returns over time. You're essentially making your money work for you. Another popular income stream is rental income. If you own property, you can rent it out. This way, you have a steady stream of income each month, on top of any appreciation the property may gain over time. Lastly, side hustles. These are small businesses or jobs you can do in your spare time. It could be anything from freelance writing to selling handmade crafts online. The beauty of side hustles is that they can be pursued according to your interests and skills, making them not just financially beneficial, but also personally fulfilling. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a solid financial foundation that can sustain you over time. By diversifying your income, you are not only protecting yourself from potential financial pitfalls, but you're also positioning yourself for sustained wealth growth. Multiple income streams can accelerate your wealth building process. So start exploring the possibilities and see how you can diversify your income today. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. This statement reflects the importance of smart spending in wealth creation. So, what does smart spending mean? It's the conscious, deliberate decision to spend money on things that offer long-term value and happiness, rather than fleeting satisfaction. It's about making choices that align with your financial goals and values. One of the most effective ways to practice smart spending is through budgeting. A well-planned budget provides a clear picture of your income, expenses, and savings. It allows you to allocate funds for essential needs, savings, and even a few wants. The key here is consistency. Stick to your budget and adjust it as necessary. Avoiding unnecessary expenses is another way to keep more of your earnings. Be mindful of impulsive purchases and the allure of sales. Remember, a discount is not a saving if it's for something you don't need. Informed purchasing decisions also play a vital role in smart spending. Do your research before making any significant purchases. Compare prices, read reviews, and consider the product's lifespan. An item with a higher upfront cost but a longer lifespan could be more cost-effective in the long run. To sum up, smart spending is about being in control of your money. It's about making informed decisions that bring you closer to your financial goals and not letting your money control you. Remember, smart spending can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. Let's recap what we've learned. We kicked things off by talking about the importance of setting clear financial goals. It's the foundation of your financial journey, your roadmap to wealth. Next, we dived into financial literacy. Knowledge is power, and understanding the basics of finance is integral to your wealth-building journey. We explored the concept of savings and investments, highlighting the significance of putting your money to work and making it grow. We then moved on to the concept of generating multiple income streams. The more streams you have, the quicker you can accumulate wealth. Diversification is key here. Finally, we discussed smart spending. It's not just about how much money you make, but also how much you save and spend wisely. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming rich in 2024, starting with $0. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and you'll reach your financial goals.